As an FBA seller, did you know that Amazon requires you to get insurance, public and product liability once you hit a certain threshold? And if you don't have it in place and they ask for your proof of policy, your account can be suspended and payouts cancelled. And to make sure that policy is compliant, there are certain requirements that you need to make sure you have so that Amazon is satisfied with the policy. So yeah, it's not talked about a great deal, but Amazon do have a policy that if your sales reach £4,000 in any given month, you are now required to have insurance. We actually recommend you getting it sooner, just so you've got that protection in place. But the Amazon terms and conditions are that £4,000 in 1 month, you now require an insurance policy. So the certain criteria that that insurance policy needs to hit to make sure that it's compliant for Amazon, you need public and product liability insurance, and you need that to provide at least £400,000 coverage. A lot of insurance policies start at 1 million, so if you take that one, you're going to be more than covered. And another requirement is that Amazon, Amazon Europe Core, SARL, I believe it is a named additional insurer, or named additional insured, I should say, on that policy. And like I said, it's £4,000 a month is the threshold where you are required to have it, but we do recommend you get it before. And if you don't have that policy in place, and for whatever reason Amazon ask to see that policy and you can't provide it with a start date that predates when they ask for it, your account is at serious risk. Not to mention the fact that should something go wrong with one of the products you've sold, and a legal case is started, you're going to be completely unprotected if you don't have that insurance in place. So there's a few different providers out there. Here we recommend going with Policy B. We've actually partnered with them to try and push the importance of having proper FBA seller insurance in place. They can provide a policy that will meet all the requirements that Amazon asks for. They're aware of what those requirements are, so they can help you set it up, make sure all the products and the types of products that you're selling are covered, and things like Amazon being named on there is all handled. If you follow our link tree in our bio, there's actually a link to the Policy B page. Click that, follow through to the Policy B page, and make arrangements to speak to someone. You want to talk this through, have a conversation with someone. It'll literally take a couple of minutes. Like I said, they're all set up, they're all aware of what needs to be done, and it has the potential to save you an awful lot of headache, stress, and money.